Hey guys, we are very excited to be out here in Fremont today with what could be either the future of the world or the end of it. We are not quite sure.
Dude,
because if you have ever seen that movie with Will Smith where he is being chased by the artificially intelligent
iRobot,
we have today the skateboard that those robots would ride. It is an artificially intelligent skateboard, the first of its kind ever. So a couple quick shout outs. Thank you, Walnut Commuter. Backpack. We're gonna open this backpack first.
Dibs.
You don't just call dibs before we even open it.
Wow.
Okay. If this isn't the sickest
Absolute
backpack
dibs.
I've ever seen, walnut.com. Nice looking backpack.
Wow.
You're like, oh, I have a laptop. No, it's a backpack. No, it holds a skateboard. It's got a pocket right here. Oh, what? So it was a skateboard backpack.
No.
Carl, let's get in this backpack. Okay, the backpack was incredible. That was one thing. But here is the real deal. Spectra Pro, your portable and intelligent electric skateboard. How could a skateboard be intelligent?
Well, it's artificial.
Artificial intelligence, but what does that mean? It has a brain, exactly! You nailed it. Called it here first. 3D posture control system, APP remote control mode, dual power regenerating hub motors, extra braking power, mag brake. Well, we've brought in Nigel Jones to tell us what that means. How do we open such a box?
Come in handy.
Skate Triquitos. Wow! Red Dot Design Award winner 2017. Spectra Pro, your portable and intelligent electric skateboard. On the back, we got some serious stuff going on here. There are 5 sensing areas on the send deck of Spectra. Press your feet on 4 of those arrows. Oh wow, it shows you how to set up your feet. 1, step up. 2, stand stably. 3, move forward. So basically what it's showing is that you push your front foot down to move forward. Put it down on the sides to make turns. Decelerate, you lift up on your front foot, down on your back foot. 6,
Just jump off.
Just jump off.
Just jump off.
instant stop.
Full speed, jump off. You
Jump
want to
off.
stop.
I would like to volunteer myself to try it out first.
Of course you do.
All right, so we're gonna open this piece of tape right here. Oh my gosh.
I want to see.
What if
Yeah.
AI was
Whoa.
several of us? In the box, 3 Spectra manuals, 1 charger, 1 power cable, hexagon socket number 1.
They even call T-Tool something special.
Times 1. We got wheels on the side, intelligent arrows on the other side. If you put your foot on
Carbon fiber.
there, you'll go forward.
Oh,
Wow.
Dude.
This is a thing of beauty. Quick startup guide. We'll definitely be reading that.
Here's a T-Tool for our friend.
I don't know how to make a selfie. How is this work?
There you go. Nailed it.
Ah!
All right, Aaron. Let me give this a full wang dango.
Dude,
Wow.
next time you guys gotta go to school, you will be the absolute coolest kid.
Wow.
You're like, oh, I'm getting a little tired walking to school. Let me give it a roll.
Oh,
It's intelligent. Oh, seriously though, let's skate this thing.
Man, I gotta say, I'm really excited about this one.
I'm really excited about it too. To ride safely, read the full instructions and warning on all documents provided. I'm turning it on. Did you hear that beep?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my gosh.
oh my god!
It goes on its own. It's so sick.
These are the loosest trucks I've ever skated in my life.
No push required, whole park. Okay, I'm leaning more. Is it going faster? Okay, less.
It's beeping.
Oh, it's stopping. Okay. Okay, I followed the exact directions. I pushed down on my front foot to go, lifted up on my front foot and down on my back foot to stop, and it did fully stop. Okay, let's give it another go here. There we
Oh,
go.
wait, you see it lights up on the sensor that you're activating?
Yes. Look at this posse we have rolling behind us. What's up, dude?
No way.
Yeah, boy. Okay, this thing is awesome.
Oh my god, it's so cool!
Oh! Oh! Oh yes! Oh yes! So here's my initial thought. So I stood here and there and it did several beeps and then it took off and it did really, really well. I didn't think it was going to make it up any of the ramps. And it did, made it up all of the ramps. And then there's this thing in the instructions that says like when you step off of it, it will stop. The second I stepped off of it, it instantly stopped. It actually works exactly the way it is supposed to and should. The artificially intelligent skateboard of the future. The future has arrived. Gabe Cruz, artificially intelligent electric skateboard.
Yes.
Give it a wang danga. Yeah, work those legs. Remember, you gotta put your back foot a little bit further back. Can I have a board?
Oh my god, you just have to lean forward.
Wait, how do you stop again?
Step off.
No, how do you slow down?
Lift your front foot up. See? You straight up stopped on top of the boob.
Oh! So how do you like slow down if you don't want to completely
Lift
stop?
up your front foot.
Oh! That is awesome!
See? I told you.
Wow, I'm gonna hit a hard right up here.
Hit a hard right. Over the grass? No big deal. Oh.
With the remote control, you don't have this much speed.
You look so cool. Like if there was cool and then there was above cool, you'd be just above cool.
Dude, this thing is really smooth, actually.
It's very smooth. If
I'm-
Batman had a skateboard, this would be it.
I'm extremely impressed. I've never actually ridden an electric board that works like this.
So smart. The world's longest electric manual? I think that was it.
What?
Oh yeah, boy!
Drop in?
I'm not dropping, that's terrifying. Dang. Wow. Kickflip, Dewey?
Do we dare?
This board is not meant for tricks, it is not.
Fetty, I know you want to try.
Wow. Yes.
Oh, no!
It's like saying, I don't like you.
Whoa!
What? Ah, we hope this thing doesn't break. Let's give it to Fetty. Monster flip.
I don't know if that'll work.
At least you can't get credit carded.
Carlos can. Dang it, I need a board.
I think the most impressive thing is the braking system. Okay, Gabe, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh no!
This thing actually is pretty sick, Aaron.
How am I gonna get enough speed for this?
I don't know. No one's tried to drop in on it yet, so. Fetty, no! Oh!
It doesn't like me.
I just found out some more information about this board.
All right, what is that?
So because it's artificially intelligent, it learns the patterns of your riding.
Wow.
So the point of it is like beginner skaters and advanced skaters, it will like pick up on, oh, Fetty's a little bit more of an advanced skater than maybe my friend here from Florida. So it'll like speed up or slow down or sense better and different based on him riding it.
Hey! You know, it specifically said do not go downstairs.
You tell Fetty to not do anything and he won't listen.
Yeah, there you go. That's what we're talking about.
Getting snake more exciting.
There you go.
It knows I like to ease in.
Oh, jeez.
Work with me, man. I know.
Do a kick flip! Do a kick flip!
It's like it's reading my mind, dude.
Can you feel it intruding your mind and beginning to read every thought you've ever had?
It has every part of my history. It has my password.
I'll show you how a real man rides it. Whoa!
How you doing? Is that right? Your left foot turn. Oh. I'm not sure what else we can do on this. Maybe a nose manual. All right, so I think this thing was really cool. It is carbon fiber, has nice grip tape on the top. The wheels are very smooth. Can't even really see the motor. It's gotta be inside there. There's one simple button. You literally push that, turn it on. You have to stand over these arrows. You'll see, and this is all in the directions. You put your foot like that, and then your back foot there, because these arrows are the sensors, right? So as you stand there, it just starts going. It's so crazy. The first time it just starts going, you don't really think anything's gonna happen. Then it's like beep, 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 boom, and you go. And it's front wheel drive, so these wheels in the front start rotating and you start going. And there's some lights that turn on. And then if you lift this foot up and push this foot down, not like fully up even, just less weight on your front foot, it will slow down. If you step off completely, it stops completely. Even when we stopped on an incline, it stopped completely, which makes it very safe, and it makes it like a good commuter board, right? One of the things that I think is really fascinating, I have no idea how this works, but because it is an artificially intelligent skateboard by design, it learns your movements as you go, and it adapts to how you ride. So the whole point of that is that if you are a beginner skateboarder, it's easier. If you're an advanced skateboarder, it can pick up on that and just be smooth with you as the riding style that you have. Anyways, I'm really impressed by this. Yeah, I thought this was really cool. This one shocked me. It is a penny board, it is penny board size. You can see it's quite small. So they call this the Swagtron Spectra Pro, and this is the intelligent 3D posture system. So a huge thanks to G Gadgets. The link will be in the description below, so you can be part of the world's revolution of the artificially intelligent electric skateboards. The link will be in the description below, and a huge thanks to GI Gadgets for sending us this rad board. The world is changing, guys. So thank you, each and every single one of you. We could not do this without you guys, so I really appreciate all of your continued help and support. You guys are rad, and remember, hashtag notification squad. Leave it in the comments below, and we will send you some special items. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, go to the playlist and watch all the other videos just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.